Hello, it's been a bit from first, but here is episode 3, the updates. And we're having a rough time. It's about like 3 o'clock in the morning, and we just got a major flood. The nozzle fell off, it shot out and sprayed.
Here's the demonstration. So it's oh yeah, we're just taking a shower. Except pretend that that's like 100 psi.
Yeah.
It's like so.
Yeah.
And now it won't go back on, by the way.
Yeah.
It will not go back on.
Not go back on. So here me and Xavier are pretty much wet, soaked.
And Jessica's piss drunk on the floor.
Yeah, piss drunk.
And Josh is in a robe.
Batman
robe.
Batman. I'm Batman. Yeah, I've had to deal with a lot of people lately. She attacked me about 3 times because she didn't want to get to work with her pissy attitude. And I got her drunk to try to even make her slightly happy, and apparently it was too much. And now, well, yeah.
No.
Now she's open for business.
Fortnite down.
Yeah, exactly.
Whenever you see someone else goes down.
Made a few new friends the
Oh,
other
big shot.
day.
Whenever someone's down, you know that. Deep bag.
Man, you guys are terrible. So I had to deal with a bunch of people, and quite literally, if the last 2 to 3 days, I had to deal with like 15 emotional outbreaks and like 4 emotional teenagers. I couldn't do it. And you two are the only ones that aren't in any of those boats. And an ex of my friend is doing the exact same thing she did to me onto him and stealing every one of his friends. And I'm going to go see her. Technically, I'm going to go see her parents, and he's going to see her, even though she wants the exact opposite, because he's scared of her parents, and she's scared
of you.
She's scared of me, and she wants to talk to me and her to talk to parents. Do you think everyone cares what you want the second?
I'm sorry.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay. I'm just joking with you. I'm just joking with you. Come on.
I feel better. I don't feel as dizzy and sick.
Perfect.
I'm really curious to see what Liz would be like drunk. I feel like Liz is
Alright, go to bed. Sleep time.
Cover me up yet.
I'll cover your feet up.
No.
Alright.
I love
Love you too. Go.
Where are you going?
I'm just gonna be outside.
Are you gonna be to bed soon?
Yes.
knowing Liz, if she got drunk, she would probably be super duper horny.
Yeah. And it's terrible dealing with horny people.
So.
I just hope that water thing won't explode.
Yeah.
Jessica's at her all-time low. She's hit rock bottom for everyone. Especially me. I'm over it. I basically just want her gone. Well, today we've gotten the shed done. We have gotten most of the things we want. We have everything all packed up that we need to bring. We have a section meant for going to Jessica's mother's, either being sold or stored. All the trash taken out, all the bottles and cans in one spot so we can sell them tomorrow. All of the clothes all picked up for most part, like 99% of them. We have everything else packed up. We have like 15 plans I have to do tomorrow. And we're going to figure out a proper spot to actually camp. And I'm still debating if I want to get a generator for that or not. Or getting air conditioners. Because it's like 90-degree temperatures lately. Well, stay tuned next. Peace.